that day, have seen the magical rain held in dry land. Birds are killing the wounded birds, the lions and mammals are killed by mammals and lions for being best. Man with humanity remained being tortured for somebody's need for sustainability, innocence of ability to suppress and frustrate, but still magic and the rains of wonders are taking blood and fleshes of creatures, and continues on like trees walking in the valleys of hills without boundary railing while human brings are hindered and his goals are not achieved, but magical rain goes on to chop flesh and shed bloods, like the trees that can achieve goals. Shadow of trees have walking legs for them and were changing the posture, then the shadow of human being had chains on leg.